fresh recruitment henceforth for every department, whatever will come through on regular basis only. And titल्या पर्यंत whatever we need to suffice with, we will take through empanel agencies. I think substantial jobs are at various positions. Much of time you need, we will give you the details. No, from revenue department you have a lot of positions coming out, AK, Talati, LDCs, various positions are coming. My plus promotions will happening, retirement astale. So I think we have already fixed the number of people which will be required to be taken. So we are sincerely trying to create employment opportunities. One is through policies, whether it is the industrial policy, IT policy or startup policy and the rest of the policies floating in. And या एक वर्ष सरकारान जे काम केला ते labor and employment department तरी we have had continuous plan of how we want to take the 1 year ahead. We are having interactions with HR of the companies. We are trying to talk to industries, understand the gap. We are trying to understand the skill gap. We are trying to make the children industry ready. But unskilled boy, skilled salary magtalo, तशें जावंक शकना. And there is something which everything, if it has to be politicized, I would only request my dear opposition to participate with us to sort out these issues of unemployment, which have been part and parcel from whenever they were in government.